If you've ever bought a claw clip that looked perfect online but failed the moment you tried a full bun, you already know the struggle. Hair slipping out, clips snapping under pressure, uncomfortable pulling, and styles collapsing within minutes are common problems most people face. The truth is, choosing the wrong hair claw doesn't just ruin your hairstyle, it can also cause breakage and long-term hair damage. And with so many options claiming to be strong, durable, or all-day hold, it gets confusing fast. In this video, we break down the 10 best hair claws available right now, comparing grip strength, comfort, design quality, and real-world performance. Stay until the end, because the final picks include hidden gems that work for thick, fine, and medium hair types without compromise.
Kicking off our list at number 1, Kitsch Eco-Friendly Large Claw Clips. The Kitsch Eco-Friendly Large Claw Clips is designed for users who want a sustainable styling solution without sacrificing grip strength or everyday usability. Many claw clips rely heavily on low-quality plastic that breaks easily or loses tension, but this design focuses on eco-conscious materials while still maintaining strong performance. It is built for individuals with long, thick, or medium volume hair who need reliable hold for daily styling. Whether you're creating a quick bun before work or securing your hair during travel, this clip offers a balance between environmental responsibility and functional strength that makes it stand out in the crowded claw clip market. Key features. One of the standout features of the Kitsch Eco-Friendly Large Claw Clips is its wide jaw opening that comfortably accommodates large sections of hair without forcing or bending strands unnaturally. The spring mechanism is designed to maintain steady tension over long-term use, preventing the loosening issues common in cheaper clips. Its teeth are smooth yet firm, allowing secure grip without causing excessive pulling or scalp discomfort. The eco-friendly material construction adds durability while reducing environmental impact, and the lightweight frame ensures that it doesn't feel heavy even when worn for hours at a time. Benefits and usage. The Kitsch Eco-Friendly Large Claw Clips is extremely practical for everyday routines where speed and reliability matter. It allows users to create quick buns, French twists, or half-up styles within seconds, making it ideal for busy mornings or on-the-go situations. It is especially helpful for people who prefer avoiding elastic hair ties that create dense or tension headaches. Whether you are working long hours, studying, or running errands, this clip keeps hair neatly in place without constant adjustments. It also supports healthier styling habits by reducing breakage caused by tight elastics. Usability. In terms of usability, the Kitsch Eco-Friendly Large Claw Clips is very beginner-friendly and requires no styling expertise. It opens easily with one hand and closes smoothly without requiring excessive force, making it perfect for quick use. The ergonomic shape allows it to sit comfortably against the head without digging into the scalp. It works well for various hair types, including thick, straight, wavy, or slightly curly textures. Whether used for casual home styling or outdoor activities, it provides consistent performance without slipping or loosening unexpectedly. Durability. The Kitsch Eco-Friendly Large Claw Clips offers impressive durability thanks to its reinforced hinge system and high-quality eco-material blend. Unlike fragile clips that break after a few drops or lose tension quickly, this design maintains structural strength over time.
In the second spot, we have MEJ Big Effing Claw Clip. The MEJ Big Effing Claw Clip is designed for users who want a bold, fashion-forward accessory that also delivers strong functional performance. Known for its oversized design, it is specifically created to handle high-volume hair, making it ideal for thick, long, or layered hairstyles. Beyond functionality, it also serves as a statement piece, often featured in modern beauty and fashion trends. This clip is perfect for users who want both style and strength in one accessory, especially when they need a quick yet polished look without spending time on complicated styling. Key features. One of the defining features of the MEJ Big Effing Claw Clip is its oversized jaw capacity, which allows it to hold large amounts of hair securely without strain. The reinforced spring provides strong tension, ensuring that hair stays in place even during movement. Its wide-spaced teeth distribute pressure evenly, helping reduce breakage while maintaining a firm grip. The glossy and premium finish adds a stylish touch, making it suitable for both casual wear and more elevated outfits. It also comes in multiple colors, allowing users to match it with personal fashion preferences. Benefits and usage. The MEJ Big Effing Claw Clip is highly beneficial for quick styling when time is limited. It allows users to gather hair into a secure bun or twist in seconds, making it ideal for busy mornings or travel situations. It works especially well for people with thick hair who often struggle to find clips that can hold their volume properly. It also helps create effortless, clean hairstyles that look intentional without requiring extra tools or effort. From workdays to casual outings, it provides a polished finish instantly. Usability. Usability is one of the strongest advantages of the MEJ Big Effing Claw Clip, as it is designed for simple and fast handling. The large opening allows easy hair gathering, and the spring mechanism closes securely with minimal effort. Despite its size, it remains comfortable for long wear because the weight is balanced across the head. It can be used for various styles including buns, twists, or half-up looks depending on preference. Its intuitive design makes it suitable even for beginners who are new to claw clip styling. Durability. The MEJ Big Effing Claw Clip is built with strong materials that resist cracking and deformation under pressure. The spring is reinforced to maintain long-term tension, ensuring consistent grip over time. The outer structure is designed to withstand frequent use without losing shape or finish.
Coming in at number 3 is the Framar Pastel Hair Claw Clips. The Framar Pastel Hair Claw Clips are designed for users who prefer soft, aesthetic styling combined with practical, everyday functionality. These clips are widely recognized for their pastel color palette, which adds a subtle and modern touch to hairstyles. While visually appealing, they are also built to provide reliable grip for medium to thick hair types. This makes them a great choice for users who want stylish accessories that don't compromise on performance, especially for casual and everyday looks. Key features. One of the key features of the Framar Pastel Hair Claw Clips is their smooth matte finish paired with a strong internal spring mechanism that ensures steady grip. The teeth are rounded to minimize pulling and reduce hair damage during both styling and removal. The pastel coating is designed to resist fading, maintaining its soft aesthetic over time. These clips also come in multiple shades, making them easy to coordinate with different outfits and moods. Their lightweight structure ensures comfort even during long hours of wear. Benefits and usage. The Framar Pastel Hair Claw Clips are ideal for quick and effortless styling routines. They work well for buns, half-up styles, and relaxed twists, making them suitable for daily use at home, work, or casual outings. They help users achieve neat hairstyles without relying on tight elastics, reducing scalp tension and hair breakage. Their gentle grip makes them especially useful for people who style their hair frequently and want a softer alternative that still holds effectively throughout the day. Usability. In terms of usability, the Framar Pastel Hair Claw Clips are extremely easy to handle and beginner-friendly. The clip opens smoothly and closes with controlled pressure, allowing quick styling with effort. It adapts well to different hair volumes depending on how it is positioned, offering flexible styling options. The lightweight design ensures comfort, making it suitable for long wear without discomfort. Whether used for quick home styling or casual outings, it delivers consistent and reliable performance. Durability. The Framar Pastel Hair Claw Clips are built for long-term use with materials that resist cracking and maintain spring strength over time. The internal mechanism remains stable even after repeated use, ensuring consistent grip performance. The outer finish is designed to stay intact with proper care, preserving its pastel color and smooth texture. This durability makes it a dependable everyday accessory for users who want both style and functionality in one clip. Taking our 4th spot is Tocess Big Hair Claw Clips. The Tocess Big Hair Claw Clips is designed for users who need extra holding power for thick, heavy, or long hair that regular clips often fail to secure properly. Many people struggle with claw clips that look strong but collapse under pressure, especially when trying to hold full buns or dense ponytails. This design focuses on maximum grip strength while still maintaining comfort for all-day wear. It is ideal for individuals who want a reliable everyday styling solution that can handle both casual looks and more structured updos without slipping or loosening throughout the day. Key features. One of the strongest features of the Tocess Big Hair Claw Clips is its reinforced jaw structure that allows it to hold large sections of hair without bending or losing tension. The spring mechanism is engineered for high durability, ensuring consistent pressure even with frequent use. Its wide-spaced teeth provide a secure grip while minimizing scalp pressure and breakage. The oversized design helps distribute weight evenly, which reduces discomfort during long wear. It also features a non-slip interior texture that improves grip on smooth or freshly washed hair. Benefits and usage. The Tocess Big Hair Claw Clips is especially useful for people with thick or voluminous hair who need dependable all-day hold. It works well for quick buns, French twists, and messy updos, making it perfect for busy mornings or fast styling routines. It is also beneficial for users who prefer avoiding elastics that cause dense or tension headaches. Whether you are working, studying, or traveling, it keeps your hair stable and controlled without requiring constant adjustments, making it a dependable daily styling companion. Usability. In terms of usability, the Tocess Big Hair Claw Clips is very easy to handle and works smoothly even for beginners. It opens wide enough to gather large sections of hair quickly and closes securely with minimal effort. Despite its strong grip, it remains comfortable on the scalp due to its ergonomic design. It can be used for different hair types, including thick straight hair, wavy textures, and dense curls. Its reliable structure makes it suitable for both casual home styling and professional environments. Durability.
The Tocess Big Hair Claw Clips is built with durable materials that resist cracking and maintain spring strength over time. Even after repeated daily use, the hinge remains stable and does not loosen easily. The outer body is designed to withstand pressure without deforming, making it reliable for long-term use. With proper care, it maintains both its grip performance and structural integrity, making it a solid option for users who need long-lasting hair accessories.
At number 5, we have Cove Essentials Daily Claw Clip. The Cove Essentials Daily Claw Clip is designed for everyday simplicity combined with reliable performance. Unlike oversized fashion-focused clips, this model focuses on practical daily use for users who want something lightweight, comfortable, and dependable. It is perfect for individuals who need a go-to hair claw for regular routines, such as work, school, home use, or casual outings. The design prioritizes balance between grip strength and comfort, making it suitable for users who wear claw clips for extended periods throughout the day. Key features. One of the main features of the Cove Essentials Daily Claw Clip is its balanced medium-sized structure, which makes it suitable for a wide range of hair types. The spring system provides consistent tension without feeling overly tight, allowing secure hold without discomfort. Its smooth, rounded teeth help prevent pulling and reduce hair breakage during styling and removal. The lightweight frame ensures that it does not feel heavy when worn for long hours, making it ideal for daily use. Its minimalist design also makes it versatile for different settings. Benefits and usage. The Cove Essentials Daily Claw Clip is highly effective for simple everyday hairstyles, such as low buns, quick twists, or half-up styles. It is especially useful for people who want a quick styling option without spending time on complex hair routines. It helps keep hair neat during work, study sessions, or household tasks, reducing the need for frequent adjustments. It is also helpful for individuals who prefer reducing reliance on elastic ties, offering a gentler alternative that minimizes hair tension. Usability. In terms of usability, the Cove Essentials Daily Claw Clip is extremely easy to operate, making it ideal for fast daily styling. It opens and closes smoothly, allowing users to secure their hair within seconds. Its medium size ensures flexibility, working well for both fine and moderately thick hair. The clip sits comfortably on the head without creating pressure points, making it suitable for long wear. Its simple design ensures that even beginners can use it without difficulty. Durability. The Cove Essentials Daily Claw Clip is built for consistent everyday use, with a strong hinge mechanism that maintains tension over time. The material resists cracking and holds its shape even after frequent handling. While it is designed for daily practicality rather than heavy-duty use, it still offers reliable long-term performance when used properly. Its durability makes it a dependable choice for users who want a stable everyday claw clip without unnecessary complexity. Landing at number 6 is the Machete Heirloom Claw Clip. The Machete Heirloom Claw Clip is designed as a premium, fashion-forward hair accessory that combines luxury aesthetics with functional performance. It is often chosen by users who value high-end materials and refined design in their everyday styling tools. This clip is not only about holding hair securely, but also about elevating overall appearance with a polished, elegant finish. It is ideal for individuals who want a statement accessory that blends beauty, durability, and practical use in one refined piece. Key features. One of the standout features of the Machete Heirloom Claw Clip is its high-quality construction that emphasizes both strength and style. The clip is engineered with a strong internal spring system that provides steady grip without excessive pressure. Its polished surface finish gives it a premium aesthetic, making it suitable for both casual and formal looks. The carefully shaped teeth ensure secure hold while reducing hair damage. It is also designed with balanced weight distribution for comfortable all-day wear. Benefits and usage. The Machete Heirloom Claw Clip is ideal for users who want effortless elegance in their daily hairstyles. It works well for quick buns, sleek twists, and half-up styles that require both stability and visual appeal. It is particularly useful for professional settings, social outings, or occasions where appearance matters. It allows users to achieve a polished hairstyle within seconds without needing multiple styling tools, making it both practical and stylish for everyday use. Usability. In terms of usability, the Machete Heirloom Claw Clip is designed for smooth and intuitive handling. It opens easily and secures hair with minimal effort, making it convenient for quick styling routines. Despite its premium build, it remains lightweight and comfortable for extended wear. It adapts well to different hair types and works especially well for medium to thick textures. Its ergonomic structure ensures it stays secure without slipping during normal daily activities. Durability. The Machete Heirloom Claw Clip is built with long-lasting materials that maintain both structure and finish over time. The inner spring mechanism remains strong even after repeated use, ensuring consistent grip performance.
The outer material is resistant to wear, helping preserve its premium appearance. With proper care, it maintains both functionality and aesthetic quality for long-term use, making it a reliable investment piece in any hair accessory collection.
Claiming the 7th spot, we have Lululemon Large Claw Clip. The Lululemon Large Claw Clip is designed for users who want a blend of athletic functionality and clean, minimal styling. Known for its performance-inspired design approach, this claw clip is made for people with active lifestyles who need a secure hold that can keep up with movement throughout the day. Whether you are heading to a workout, commuting, or managing a busy schedule, this clip focuses on stability and comfort. It is especially suitable for individuals who prefer a simple, modern aesthetic while still requiring strong grip performance for thick or medium volume hair. Key features. One of the standout features of the Lululemon Large Claw Clip is its strong tension spring system that ensures reliable hold even during physical activity. The wide claw opening allows it to secure larger sections of hair with ease, making it ideal for buns and full twists. Its matte, non-slip finish helps improve grip on smooth or freshly washed hair. The teeth are designed to distribute pressure evenly, reducing breakage and preventing discomfort during long wear. Its minimalist design also reflects a clean, sporty aesthetic that matches everyday activewear styling. Benefits and usage. The Lululemon Large Claw Clip is especially beneficial for users who need a dependable styling solution during workouts, travel, or long workdays. It helps keep hair controlled during movement without needing constant adjustments. It is also ideal for quick styling when you want your hair secured in seconds before heading out. Many users appreciate its ability to transition easily from gym wear to casual outfits without looking out of place. It supports healthier styling habits by reducing reliance on tight elastics that can strain the scalp. Usability. In terms of usability, the Lululemon Large Claw Clip is extremely easy to handle and designed for fast, efficient styling. It opens smoothly and allows quick gathering of hair, making it ideal for busy routines. Despite its strong grip, it remains comfortable for long wear due to its ergonomic shape. It works well across different hair types, including straight, wavy, and moderately thick textures. Its secure hold ensures that it stays in place even during light physical movement, making it highly practical for daily use. Durability. The Lululemon Large Claw Clip is built with high-quality materials designed to withstand frequent daily use. The spring mechanism maintains consistent tension over time, ensuring long-lasting grip performance. The outer structure resists cracking and wear even with repeated handling.
Coming at number 8 is the Siren Wavy Claw Clip. The Siren Wavy Claw Clip is designed for users who want a stylish, modern accessory that stands out while still delivering dependable hair hold. Its wavy design adds a unique aesthetic touch that elevates even simple hairstyles, making it popular among fashion-conscious users. Beyond looks, it is built to provide functional grip for everyday styling needs. This clip is ideal for individuals who enjoy expressive hair accessories that combine visual appeal with practical performance for medium to long hair types. Key features. One of the most distinctive features of the Siren Wavy Claw Clip is its wave-shaped structure that enhances both grip and design appeal. The curved teeth help secure hair more effectively by improving contact points and reducing slipping. Its spring mechanism is designed to maintain steady pressure without causing excessive tightness. The textured surface improves hold, especially on smooth or silky hair. The lightweight design ensures comfort, while its artistic silhouette makes it a standout accessory in any styling routine. Benefits and usage. The Siren Wavy Claw Clip is perfect for creating effortless yet stylish hairstyles, such as relaxed buns, half-up looks, or soft twists. It allows users to achieve a fashionable appearance without spending much time styling their hair. It is especially useful for casual outings, social gatherings, or daily wear where aesthetics matter. Many users appreciate how it instantly upgrades a simple hairstyle into something more polished and trendy, while still keeping hair secure throughout the day. Usability. In terms of usability, the Siren Wavy Claw Clip is very easy to operate and works well for quick styling routines. It opens smoothly and holds hair with minimal effort, making it suitable for fast morning preparation. It adapts well to different hair textures and volumes depending on placement. Despite its stylish shape, it remains comfortable for extended wear without causing scalp pressure. This makes it ideal for users who want both fashion and function in one accessory. Durability. The Siren Wavy Claw Clip is built with durable materials that maintain both shape and grip strength over time. The spring system retains elasticity through repeated use, ensuring consistent performance. The wave structure is reinforced to prevent bending or breakage under normal pressure. Its outer finish is designed to resist fading and wear, making it suitable for long-term use. This durability ensures that it remains both a stylish and reliable accessory over time.